In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the For You feature on YouTube Studio. If you've noticed a For You section showing up on your channel's homepage and you'd prefer not to have it there, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it using YouTube Studio. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and log into YouTube Studio with the account that manages the channel you want to edit. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with different options such as content, analytics, comments, and more. In that menu, look for the option labeled customization. Go ahead and click on customization. This is the area where you control how your channel looks to viewers. Things like layout, branding, and basic information. Once you're inside the customization section, you'll see a few tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Layout or Home, depending on how it appears in your interface. This is where you manage what sections appear on your channel's homepage. In this Home or Layout area, scroll until you find the For You section. It will appear as a card or block within the layout editor, similar to other sections like featured videos or playlists. Take a moment to make sure you've identified the correct section, because this is the one you're going to remove. Now, move your mouse over the For You card. When you hover over it, a small More Options icon will appear, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that 3-dot icon. A small menu will pop up, giving you a few choices for that section. From the menu, select Remove Section. As soon as you click this, the For You card will disappear from your layout preview. Don't worry if you change your mind later. You can always come back and re-add or adjust sections from the same customization area. You're not finished just yet. The change is only in draft form until you save it. To make it live on your channel, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Publish button. This step is essential. Without publishing, your viewers will still see the old layout. Once you click Publish, your updated layout is saved, and the For You section will be turned off on your channel's homepage. And that's it.